Guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare this really effective skin brightening corn cream easily at home. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this cream. And the first ingredient which we need are fresh corn. Next up we need the normal water, or you can even take the rose water. After that we are going to need glycerin. Next up we are going to need olive oil. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So firstly we have to put our fresh corn into a grinding or a mixing jar. Then we have to add approx 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water or the normal water in it, and then grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste. Now we'll strain this paste to take out the fine, smooth and fresh corn paste. Now to prepare this cream, we firstly have to take 1 teaspoon of this corn paste into a small bowl. Then we have to add half a teaspoon of glycerin in it. After that we add half a teaspoon of olive oil in it. And then we'll mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely so that the oil combines with the watery form corn paste and makes a very good mixture. And now for the aloe vera gel, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into this paste. And now just start mixing it all up so that it makes a very smooth, creamy, lump-free and a well combined mixture. After mixing all the ingredients, your homemade corn cream is ready. This cream is 100% natural and 100% effective in skin tightening, lightening and brightening. So you just have to transfer this cream into a small airtight container as I've done here, and that's it. This cream is ready to use. This homemade corn cream have all the amazing properties to treat dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars, and it makes your skin clear, bright, radiant and super glowing. So you just have to apply a little amount of this cream all over your face and neck, or you can even apply it all over your body and just massage it onto your skin for a good 10 to 15 seconds. And yeah, that's it. You just have to leave it as it is overnight, or you can leave it for good 2 or 3 hours, and will do all the magical things to your skin and makes it really bright and glowing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.